So I gotta talk really quiet, but getting a new dog today. Fuck yeah. Gonna go pick him up in Daytona. Fucking that's Farzal. And we live really far from that. But yeah. Yeah. This is my fit for a 4-hour drive. Ooh, got the pleasure shirt. Ooh, check out the back. Ooh, ooh, that's fire. And what else? My shoes, my jeans. We got the American Eagle jeans and my orange Vans. So we just picked up London. This was my mom. My mom picked out the name. Here he is. What's up, London? Say something. What's up with you? Hi. You're so cute, bro. Anyway, yeah, now we're going home. 4-hour drive back home, and yeah, he's here and he's just sleepy as hell. And yeah, 2 months old. Just see his little wee wee and his little pee stain. Okay. London, come here, bud. London. London. He's such a funny, quirky guy. Like, he's just so, his breed is just built different. London, whoa. Come here. Woo. Dude, come here. Now come over here. Now come over. Ah! You're crazy. This guy does everything but pee. It's so crazy how chill he was on the drive back. Like, he was just sleeping the whole time, and he would wake up for like 5 seconds and just go back to sleep. My last dog, which was my first dog ever, and I still love him very much, and I always will, but he's not here anymore. But he was like, when we first got him, I remember he was like he was just like an anxious little mess. And that's why I loved him. But yeah, in the car, he would just like freak out, and he just wouldn't be able to sit still. Or there was no way that dog was gonna sleep in a car. Hell no. But like, this guy was just chilling. And yeah, he took a shit last night. It's over there. I don't know if you can see it. This shit doesn't let me zoom in. Fucking iPhone, fix your stuff. Anyway, but yeah, yeah. Thank you for watching Lundy's little trip to his new home. And yeah, bye bye. I'll make another video with the other dog, which I already have a name for, but I can't get him till 2 months because he's too little. But yeah, bye.